Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you. This HENMI bicycle chain whip. It's a Sprocket puller and a cassette puller kit. A Sprocket puller, cassette puller, a universal bicycle cassette removal tool in one. This is really cool because it can disassemble your cassette. On a bicycle, the cassette or a cluster is the set of multiple sprockets that attach to the hub on the rear wheel. A cassette works with a rear derailleur to provide multiple gear ratios to the rider. The cassettes come in two varieties, freewheels or cassettes, of which cassettes are a newer development. Although the cassettes and freewheels perform the same function and looks almost the same when installed, they have important mechanical difference and are not interchangeable. But we can make here a disassemble for a cassette. This is a distinguished from freewheels in that a cassette has a series of straight spirals that form the mechanical connection between the sprockets and the cassette's compoundable hub, called the free hub, which contains the ratcheting mechanism. The entire cassette is held on the hub by means of a thread lock ring. Some cassette systems from the latest 1980s and the early 1990s uses a threaded small sprocket to hold on the larger spint sprocket. Cassettes resemble freewheels when installed, but are clearly different when removed, as they do not contain a freewheel's internal ratcheting mechanism. We can disassemble such a cassette from or on a free hub, and for this you will need such a tool. The ratchet mechanism, known as the free hub body, is still replaceable on the most hubs. And for this cassette removal, we will need such a set. We will need a cassette Sprocket puller toolkit. The cassette tool set is specially designed for easy, quick removal of the bicycle free wheels. It does not require excessive force or complicated tools. Whether we want to loosen and remove the old freewheel or install a new freewheel, the cassette tool set allows us to do this effortlessly because we have a chain whip. The chain whip is used to fix the freewheel when removing the bike freewheel. The chain whip is made of the thick sheet steel, which is not easy to bend or to break. The extended non-slip handle ensures a good handling and prevent of injuries. And we have two types of cassette pullers. The Pinion puller is specially designed for use with cassette lock ring to remove cassettes from the hub. The screw ring puller tool set can also be used to tighten thread freewheels. It's suitable for 8, 9 and 10 speed freewheels. Two different designs are available to choose from. The right tool for our cassette puller. We have a high quality material set here. The chain whip and the puller set is made of high quality steel, which is robust, durable and rust resistant. It has undergone a variety of processes to ensure long lasting durability and can be used repeatedly and indispensable tools for bicycle repair and maintenance. We have a universal bicycle cassette tool in our hands here. This tool is suitable for the most cassette flywheels and over a cost-effective solution for repairs. And everything what we need is included to remove our cassettes from our hub on the back side of our bicycle. And this can be a mountain bike, this can be a trekking bike, this can be nearly all kind of bikes out there, which comes with a cassette design, of course. And after we replaced everything, we have to reinstall it to our bicycle again, and we can go back on the road again with that really cool thing. Easy peasy with the HENMI bicycle chain whip, sprocket puller and cassette puller kit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.